Have you ever finished editing a video only to realize the details still look soft? Maybe textures don't stand out, faces look slightly flat, or the footage just doesn't feel as clean as you imagined. What if AI could help bring back more detail and improve clarity in just a few clicks? Today, we're checking out Filmora's new AI feature, Generative Enhance. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Filmora continues expanding its AI-powered editing tools, and one of the latest additions inside AI Video Enhancer is Generative Enhance. This enhancement mode is designed to improve visible details and create better clarity using AI processing, helping your footage appear more refined and polished. Step 1. Enable Generative Enhance. Start by importing your footage into Filmora and placing it onto the timeline. Select your video clip. Open the Video Settings panel and scroll down until you find AI Video Enhancer. Inside the enhancement models, choose Generative Enhance. Once selected, click on Generate, and Filmora starts processing the clip using AI enhancement technology. Processing time may vary, depending on clip complexity and length. Step 2. What Generative Enhance does. Unlike traditional sharpening that simply increases edge contrast, Generative Enhance focuses on improving perceived detail and overall visual clarity. It analyzes the footage and attempts to create a cleaner and more detailed appearance. You may notice improvements in areas like facial details, texture definition, object clarity, environmental elements, overall image cleanliness. This makes it especially useful for content like creator videos, vlogs, social media content, screen recordings, everyday footage. The result is footage that can feel sharper and more polished without manually adjusting multiple settings. Best results and limitations. For the best output, use footage with decent lighting. Avoid heavily compressed source files. And remember the supported limits. Check maximum clip length, 3 minutes. Check maximum frame rate, 60 frames per second. Check maximum resolution, 3840 by 2160. For longer projects, enhance individual clips before final export. All Filmora AI video enhancers. Filmora now includes multiple AI enhancement models depending on the type of footage you're working with. Enhance. Standard AI enhancement for improving overall video quality. Generative Enhance. Enhances details to improve visual clarity. AI Night View. Optimized for nighttime or darker footage to improve scene visibility. Topaz Starlight. Designed for advanced enhancement and restoration workflows. Instead of applying one enhancement style to every video, Filmora lets you choose the model based on your footage and editing goals. If you want a quick way to improve details and create clearer-looking footage, this AI tool might be worth adding to your editing workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one!